What's up YouTube? This is Moto back for another video. So on this video we're gonna change our spark plug to an iridium type. Alright, so keep on watching on how I do it. Alright, by the way guys, kung bibili kayo ng iridium spark plug, make sure na yung original ang bibili nyo. Alright, sa akin binili ko directly from Denso shop. Alright, to make sure na original yung mabibili ko. Kasi maraming fake na iridium spark plug, lalo na kung binili nyo sa online. Hindi kayo masisigurado kung fake or original yon. Alright, so I suggest you buy it through a license or authorized dealer of. Alright, so anong itsura ng iridium spark plug? Bale, ganito yung tip niya. Ganito. Para siyang needle. Alright. Alright, so unang-una, alisin natin yung screw dito. Tapos may mga screw dito, alisin natin din. Alright, sa kabila meron din, alisin natin. Right, so ito ang alisin natin. Alright, so kung naalis yun na yung cover, bali ito yung cover. Naalis yun na. Yung spark plug is nandito. Alright, so kailangan natin to pang alis ng spark plug. Alright, so nalis na natin yung spark plug. Ilagay na natin yung iridium. Ito yun. Alright, so yun guys, balik na natin tong cover. Now, let's start her up. So sa pag-start pa lang is very smooth na. Alright, so ready na to again for another ride. Alright, so that's it guys. Easy, ganun lang kadali magpalit ng spark plug. Alright, so if you like this video, please like, share, hit the bell and subscribe. See you on the next video.